With Canva's ThingLink integration, teachers can level up online interactive learning environments as a hub for resources and extended learning. Use Canva and ThingLink to add images, information, links, and media to virtual classrooms. Designing such learning experiences for students aligns with ISTE Educator Standard 5, Designer. Begin by logging in to your ThingLink account. Select Create. Start with a blank canvas. Select the Canva icon. You'll be prompted to start Inspired with the Canva template. To create your virtual classroom, choose a presentation template. Use the search to find virtual classroom templates. And select a template to customize. Here, you can easily customize content for your course project. When you're done designing, add a title, select Save to ThingLink, and continue. To embed interactive elements to your virtual classroom, select your design from the dashboard. Select the pencil icon to add elements. Add your tag to choose your content type. Add anything from text and media to embedded external content. Once the tag is selected, start editing. When you're done, share the design directly with learners via embed code or link. Bring curated content to life with the integrated power of ThingLink and Canva.